Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video we are going to talk about the three best screen recorder that is used to day-to-day life, from the basic interface to the advanced interface, from the basic recording to the advanced recording up to gaming. So let's get started with the video. So we have free cam 8, which is the free software that is on the website. You can directly download from website. This is free. So let's get back to the interface that we do have on the free cam 8. Okay, this is the basic interface of the free cam 8. All right, here is the start the screen recording, start and pause, and there is the mic, and here is the resolution. Here is the resolution. You can make it by your own full screen selected area or the application, particular application. And if you just go to the setting, we do have the normal setting, that is the normal interface of the setting, that is your key short keys that you can make your by yourself, that is pause, stop recording, start recording, or discard recording, microphone, which microphone you want to use, that is your inbuilt inbuilt the system microphone, or the microphone, the external microphone. All right, if you just move the different one, that is we do have the some option for the after recorded, what kind of do you want the recorded screen recorded video to open on the same window or the another window, and same way the about the mouse cursor. Okay, this is the simple interface of the this free camp 8. All right, and there is you cannot use webcam. Meanwhile, and the video format extracted from this free camp 8 is only WMV video format. This is the simple one for the beginners. They can use this one. All right. Uh, we have another screen recorder here, and I have described the interface of the free camp 8 previously, but the next screen recorder which I'm mentioning currently is a little bit advanced than the free camp 8. All right, and if you are working with the a PowerSoft screen recorder, which is little bit um, more advanced in sense that there the output the video output format and the webcam. In this you can use video output format and webcam. All right, let me just give you the some detailed information on that with the same application. Let me open this. All right. Alright, here's the application. Let me give you the short introduction about this PowerSoft application. If you want any of this application, I'll give you the link on a description from where you can download. And if you want how to use these applications, FreeCamp and this PowerSoft, I'll even make a video on that. So let's get started with this PowerSoft. Okay guys, this is the record and stop button. All right, and this is the you want the screen, do you want to record the screen, or do you want to record the webcam? And in this the best part is that you can even record the webcam. You can even use the webcam. The better part is that. And meanwhile meanwhile we do have this option also, full screen. You can make a resolution. What kind of resolution are you want to make? Okay, these are the resolution that you're gonna make. You can customize it. Let's go to the setting option. Okay, this is the setting option. You will find the basic interface over here about the setting. You want the countdown, beep on, start recording, show recording boundary, show recording toolbar, include cursor or the capture, advanced mouse style, hot audio quality. What kind of audio quality do you want the system to record? Meanwhile, the video format, the best part about this that you can get the output video format on these video formats: mp4, wmv, avi, mov, flv. And meanwhile, if you talk about the previous FreeCam 8, you are not able to get these kind of format except WMV. On FreeCam you are not able to use the webcam. That is the little bit disappointing part on that. So these are the video setting that you can even use: bitrate, frame rate, codec mode. And if you jump to the different option, we do have general option. So here is the keyboard shortcut that you can use. You can make it by yourself using these controls, shift, alt, short keys. Okay, and this is about the setting where you wanna save the recorded video. Okay, so this is all about the a PowerSoft screen recorder. Okay, and let's move to the next one. Alright guys, the third screen recorder that we do have is ice cream screen recorder. Best one. I'm still using the same ice cream recorder, alright, with the multiple function, advanced function, also used for the gaming, have all the function that we were just expecting on other screen recorder, that is the webcam, as well as all the format and all the options related, that is to draw. Okay, let me just give you some function. Okay, all the description about it. Okay, this is the ice cream recorder. Alright, this is the general interface. Look guys, the interface is so cool. Okay, that looks so awesome. So here what the function we get, we get the function add, we get the option as custom area. We can customize the area, full screen, last screen, the auto detection around the mouse with the same mm, this resolution. Alright, and you can even take a screenshot on whatever point you want to take. All right, and if we just move to different option, we do have this option. Look, option as screen format, as two format, png and jpg, language, start window. These are the preload with the window. Check for the updates, so that show notification area, selection, zoomer. Yeah, this is the best part which I found in this, apart from all those. Okay, which I didn't get on the free camp, as well as on the a powers of window, since they have their own need as a beginner, as well as just to start of the beginner. So this is the best, and you can even use the webcam, and the webcam is also the best quality. And here's the location where you want to save the recorded video or the screenshot. Okay, and what file you want to make the it customer, the output file name and video. Look guys, look, these are the format which you can get after recording from this recorder: mp4, webm, avi, mov, and record by mouse movement, animate the mouse click, highlight, video quality, and screensaver, and all those. Even watermark, you can even make your own watermark. All right, by clicking on this you can make your own watermark. Just click in this and then you can make your watermark. Okay, and then if you just move to a different, that is audio. And if we talk about the particular audio, we do have record the audio here as the system audio, and record microphone, that is the microphone that you are using currently. And this is the option of the microphone as well as the audio sound, the system. Guys, the best part about this is you will find a lots of hotkeys, around 12 to 15 hotkeys that you can use for the record, pause, stop, screenshot, copy URL, zoom in, zoom out, switch control, draw, show panel, cancel, webcam. If you just put this control plus shift plus W, the webcam will automatically open and start. You can even record that one. And the recorded video, the recorded screen, that is webcam, is best in quality as compared to the a PowerSoft screen recorder, as we don't have free in FreeCamp 8. Okay, it's because of these new function on each and every screen recorder make them different as per the webcam, video output format, audio, how to take a screenshot. Because of these different screen recorder make individual unique on them. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Hope and the description, all the link are in the description box for all three. Thank you.